chaos in the Citizen Coalition for Change Party panguva ino yokontinya zvekare. Takamboona sekuti zvanga zvati tonhorei. But panguva inotiona notsonja musisi 10 muactive politics, toona kuti nawo ava nemafights otanga kubuda zvekare achikondinya the Citizen Coalition for Change. Sarapinda mashoko zvizere anoda nyoka Newsday achinzi Triple C renews fight against Chabangu. Don't subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tipinda pana umubuda nyoka mchinzi the Citizen Coalition for Change Triple C has filed an appeal with the Supreme Court challenging a High Court decision that refused to designed a default judgment granted in favor of self-proclaimed Party Secretary General Senzo Chabangu. The Triple C, along with its members, Cecil Rizai, Consilia Chinanjavana, Gilbert Kagodora, and Stephen Mushonga, filed their appeal as applicants. They are being represented by Advocate Tawanda Juarara. They are appealing on the grounds that the High Court erred in law by upholding an objection regarding Chabangu's lack of authority. Ndomashwari kubuda panguva inoi toona the Citizen Coalition for Change yoenda ichino challenger our the Supreme Court our ruling the decision yanga yapa panasingiso Chabangu panguva ine vachienda against it. Mashoko ari kubuda panguva inoi kunokunzi these are now fresh fights again akuitika the Citizen Coalition for Change. Pinda comment section medu dzemafunguro enyu muri kudipa pamusoro pezviitiko izvi. Pinda comment section medu dzemafunguro enyu. So subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.